Hi, my name is Vadim, and I am the founder of WinWin.travel. At WinWin.travel, we help leisure travelers find the best, highly personalized hotel deals worldwide. We are currently pre-revenue with our MVP ready. Our team of 76 committed professionals is working hard to deliver. We have opened our first seed round for 500,000 euros, with a minimum ticket of 100,000 euros. The projected return of investments for seed investors is over 300 times within 5 years. Next, you will see a comprehensive presentation of WinWin.travel. During the next 20 minutes, I will walk you through the problem we are solving and why it matters, our solution, the competitive landscape and key market insights, our financial projections and goals, our go-to-market plan, my background and my team, our traction so far, and finally, I will explain how we will use your investments. This video was recorded in October 2025. If you are watching it in 2026, some details might change. Let's start. Travelers have changed. Families with kids, digital nomads, with dogs, and travelers with disabilities, they all keep exploring the world. A software engineer can travel with his dog and keep coding from a co-working space in Bali. But the tools to book such a trip are still from the previous era. Personalization is no longer a nice to have, it is a must. A traveler with a dog needs to know a pet fee, whether vaccination is required, where the nearest pet walking area is, and much more before booking a hotel. But this information is still not available online. Travelers with pets still have to call hotels to ask these questions. The same problem affects travelers with kids, travelers with disabilities, solo travelers, couples, LGBTQ+ travelers. Everyone struggles to find exactly what they want. Booking and Expedia do not solve this. Travelers keep calling hotels to get answers. It should not be like this in 21st century, the age of AI. For the last 2 years, my team has been fully committed to find a way to make travel truly personalized. We wanted to create an end-to-end user experience, and a new animal was born, a mix of ChatGPT, Tinder and Excel. Let's open the WinWin.travel platform and I will show you how it works. It looks like any other booking platform at first glance, but if you click this button, it opens chat where you can describe exactly what you need. Let's take traveling with a dog as an example. I want to go to Amsterdam from November 12 to 15. I am traveling with 2 dogs, 8 and 12 kilos. I want a pet bowl and a bed in the room, a nearby pet walking area, breakfast and free cancellation. This is a simple request, but to make it possible, we did a huge amount of work. We are connected to 2.5 million accommodations worldwide to gauge availability, pricing and start hotel and room amenities. However, the kind of information we just asked for does not exist in any database. To make it available, we created our own AI system that emails hotels directly to collect this additional information. We have already completed a pilot with 5,000 hotels in the pet niche, and we are now expanding to the kids and disabilities segments while continuing to collect more pet-related data. Our ultimate goal is to collect 15,000 data points for every accommodation deal worldwide, so every traveler can enjoy a truly personalized search experience. As you can see, our system now suggests the exact filters we asked for. Let's click Select Filters and see what it found. All these items in the search results are not just hotels, but actual hotel deals that are 100% accurate for my request. There is zero irrelevant information. You get exactly what you asked for. Let's open one of those deals. At the top we see images and a short summary, but when we scroll down we will find all the detailed data points our system collected. This is unique. All this data was collected by us and nobody else at the market has access to it. The next step is to choose the best hotel deal to book. To make this easy, we added 2 buttons, like and dislike. It works like a dating app. Whatever you will select, it moves you to the next deal. But unlike on the dating app, every like is always a match. Let's give a few more likes. The next step is to select the best deal among the ones we liked. For that, let's open the comparison view of all deals I liked. Here we can see all the differences: pet fees, which rooms allow unattended pets, whether pets are allowed in public areas, and much more. You can compare any parameters and choose which ones to display. The same can be done for kids amenities, co-working services, and many other niches. According to our research, this is the most efficient way to find the best deal on the market. It is 11.3 times faster than on any other platform. Nobody else in the market can offer this kind of user experience, and it has already been validated by hundreds of travelers. Let's dive into how our platform compares to other players. We have three main competitors: Booking.com, Expedia, and Airbnb. First criteria is data for personalization. On Booking and Expedia, there is only basic information for regular travelers. They do not collect pet policies or amenities and only display what hotels provide. Airbnb has no standard data structure for accommodations. Hosts could cover these details well, but almost nobody does. WinWin.travel, our goal is to collect 15,000 data points deal level, which will make us the most detailed service ever created. Second criteria, filters. Booking, Expedia, and Airbnb offer only one pet-related filter. It is pets allowed, which satisfies nobody. At WinWin.travel, we understand pet parents. They deserve to filter by pet fee, policies, and amenities. We already have 30 pet-related filters, and we will add many more. The same approach can be applied to other niches. Everyone uses AI for personalization. Booking recently introduced AI search by filters, but it looks weak and purpose is unclear. In October 2025, OpenAI announced a deep partnership with Booking and Expedia. It will likely change soon, but we will see how well it actually works. Airbnb does nothing in AI-based filter selection. At WinWin.travel, we believe AI-driven search is the key to improve user experience. The more travelers use our platform, the more we understand their preferences. Imagine this: we know you have a neck pain and always look for hotels with a pillow menu. If you forgot to select that filter, we will remind you. During booking, we can also ask if you want to share your known preferences with the hotel. For example, the room farthest for the elevator, or blackout curtains. This is possible only because we process custom text input from users to ask smart follow-up questions. Next criteria is search results. Booking and Expedia show hotels in search results. And this is just wrong. They intentionally mislead users to upsell. For example, if I am looking for the cheapest room with a private bathroom for a business trip, I filter by price and see cheap hotels first. But those hotels often have both private and shared bathrooms, so I have to manually check each one to find valid option. It feels ridiculous every time. Airbnb and WinWin.travel show deals instead of hotels, meaning the search results contain exact accommodation deals that are 100% accurate for your request. Next criteria is comparison. All our competitors share one problem. They do not help users to compare hotel deals. Travelers want to choose the best, which means checking at least 10 offers before booking. On Booking.com, Expedia, and Airbnb, the only way to do that by opening multiple tabs and juggling between them trying to remember what is where. On mobile, it is pure chaos. This hassle combined with inaccurate results often leads to booking mistakes. On WinWin.travel, we help users make the best choice, showing all hotel deals parameters side by side and highlight which offers are the winners in each category. We have few more advantages, such as helping users customize hotel deals, negotiate prices with hotels, and find the most cost-effective travel dates. Next criteria is business model. All online travel agencies take commissions from hotels. up to 30% per booking. We do not aim to be different here. We like high commissions and do not believe in competing by price. There are around 45 million short-term accommodations worldwide. Booking has the most, 31 million. Airbnb has around 8 million, and Expedia has around 3.5 million. We just started, and we already have 2.5 million hotels connected. The market is huge. The online travel agency market reached almost $1 trillion in 2024 and is expected to grow by 40% by 2030. This is our gross merchandised volume total addressable market. Everyone travels today, even my 84-year-old grandpa. Gen Z and Generation Alpha are becoming true nomads. Exploring the world is their #1 life goal, and it is easier than ever to achieve. AI is taking search power away from Google, and almost everyone is already comfortable using chat-based interfaces. We are entering the market as a niche player, starting with travelers with pets, then expanding to families with kids and travelers with disabilities, and later to other segments step by step. We prefer to stay lean and test every step before scaling up. The online travel agency market is commission-based. Commissions are taken from hotels and usually range from 8 to 30%, with an average of 22%. Even with a very conservative plan, we can capture a small portion of the global market, reaching $90 million annual recurring revenue by 2031. The projected return of investments for seed investors is over 300 times within 5 years. To reach this goal, we use the guerrilla strategy to capture our market share. Our main tool is affiliate marketing. We know how to motivate an army of influencers to talk about our solution. With every blogger, we build a 3-step deep, long-term partnership. First, we engage their audience with a series of posts about the problem of personalized travel and collect real needs from their followers. Second, we showcase a pilot example of the solution inside the platform. And third, we engage followers in our crowdfunding campaign. We offer a big discount on our platform to everyone who supports us. And in return, we build the best solution for them. Our goal is to build long-term promotion on an affiliate basis, deeply connected with the crowd, with real users. We want to solve their real problems in the best way. In this process, everyone wins. Users get the best prices on the market, influencers get paid, and we gain loyal customers with a high lifetime value. This is how we plan to create buzz in the market and make our product valuable for real customers. We already have 23 influencers ready to execute this strategy with us. It is time to introduce my team. I will start with myself. My name is Vadim and I'm 32 years old. And I'm from Ukraine. I was a hotel owner in Ukraine for 10 years. I built a successful hotel business and was constructing 300-room hotel on the shore of Azov Sea in 2022 when the war started. In parallel with my hotel business, I worked as a technical manager in software development, leading teams of up to 50 people, including designers, engineers, and testers. I know this industry, and I know how to build and deliver this product. Our team of 76 professionals is the right one for this mission. With 84 engineers, we are highly technical and do everything in-house. We already covered all key areas: backend, front-end, quality assurance, product engineering, user interface, user experience, marketing, and HR. We are ready for the challenges and know how to solve problems. And we know that we can deliver, because we already have traction. We are live and connected to 2.5 million hotels worldwide, ready to search and book. Over the next 6 months, we will add another 500,000 hotels. We do this through partners who provide the same basic data as Booking and Expedia: availability, pricing, and standard amenities. To collect additional data, such as pet weight restrictions, pet fees, we email hotels directly. We have already validated this approach with 5,000 hotels. Of course, there is a lot of work to do with all other properties. And that is exactly why we need resources to scale. Our main user experience, ChatGPT search, like-dislike system, and comparison table is already live, and we receive daily feedback. In September 2025, we had 3,300 unique visitors without any paid promotion. We also run several focus groups with different types of travelers to conduct user experience research. The total number of beta users is 160 volunteers. We are pre-revenue and currently focused on creating the best user experience that truly solves real customer problems. We have done everything we could without funding. We connected a huge number of hotels and built solid enterprise structure and processes. We engaged beta users and collected tons of feedback. We already have dozens influencers ready to promote us. Now we know what to do and how to do it. We just need to speed up our monetization. This is why we need your help. We are raising a minimum of 500,000 euros. 40% will go towards scaling our solution, expanding servers, launching new services, and optimizing how we work with AI and other tools. 60% will go towards our go-to-market testing, executing our influencer strategy and calculating unit economics on a medium scale. We are building a global solution, and this is just the first seed round, not the last one. We are at the pre-revenue stage, but just look at what we achieved with zero budget. Now imagine what we can do with your support. We are building a large, global, multi-billion-dollar company. And we want you as investors to look beyond 1-year plan and to see our 10 years vision. If something in these presentations clicked with you, message me on LinkedIn right away or send me an email. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.